Hi, I'm Josh Bowman, Product Manager with QxControl, and in this video we're going to talk about supported products with QxControl. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is browsers and devices that you can use to interface with QxControl. QxControl, as we've mentioned in previous lessons, is a progressive web app, meaning it's going to work the same on pretty much any device or browser that you'd like to use. While this is going to work on almost any modern browser, unless those that specifically limit data, like something like a DuckDuckGo, may not work well, for example, we officially support Chrome, Edge, Safari, and Firefox. So there are Opera and many other types of browsers that are out there. I've actually used many of them, but as far as what we officially support, it is these four. Now, in addition to the browser, we also have the operating systems themselves, and we officially support, in terms of Apple, both Mac OS as well as iOS. We officially support Windows 10, 11 platform. We are compatible with Linux. In fact, our gateways are Linux-based units, as well as Chrome OS and Android. Now, the one stipulation I would point out here is, as this is a SaaS-based model, our software is always up to date and is always going to work with the latest and current supported devices for each platform. So what that means is once Apple, for example, no longer continues, say, an iPhone 5, it will not work with our product anymore either, because we are current. So just make sure that if you're using an older device, that it is still supported by that manufacturer, and if so, it should work great with QxControl. Now let's move into cameras, and this is a pretty easy subject. Any camera that supports OnViv Profile S should work great with QxControl. You see some examples here of those that we work with more closely and also support their edge analytics. But in general, there are many cameras out there that will work with QxControl so long as they do support OnViv. And as I just mentioned, we are compatible with many of the manufacturers and their edge analytics, meaning that if they support producing those edge analytics over the OnViv profile, you can search on those as events in QxControl. So we have full support of cameras in OnViv Profile S. If you have a camera that is analog, and that includes PTZ cameras, by the way, you can control even analog PTZ cameras so long as you use an OnViv S-based encoder. We can actually utilize that with QxControl. And just a quick note, at the time of this recording, we are actually in development with Profile M compatibility. So that will actually give us more metadata and allow us to even further enhance and search upon metadata analytics in these supported cameras. Access control. So access control, as we all know, that world is not quite as open as video, but we do strive to have great compatibility, and we'll continue to do so in the future. And we have a lot of supported integrations, and many of those actually are available to purchase from QxControl as well. So let's just roll through the access controllers that we're currently compatible with. The first is the Red board, the latest generation of Mercury-based HID Mercury platform is compatible with QxControl. Our QxControl Enterprise panels that we'll cover in another lesson are available for purchase directly from QxControl as well. And in that platform, we also have our Enterprise panel door kits. And again, these will include QXEP, HID Mercury-based controllers. These kits provide everything you need to get going, and these are available directly from QxControl as well. Now, our first controller that we were compatible with almost 4 years ago, we started with Axis brand door controllers, the A1001 and the A1601. We continue to value our partnership with Axis. These are still relevant and current. And in addition, at the time of this recording, we're also finishing up our integration to their new A1610 as well as A1210 platforms as well. Those should be available in Q4 2023. The access-based controllers are not available for purchase from QMLX, so you would just buy those wherever you buy your access products now. So next, the Assa Abloy Aperio series of wireless locks. These are available directly from QMLX and are compatible with both our Access and Mercury-based controller integrations. Also, we offer directly from QMLX Farpoint data, readers, and credentials. They also have a really great Bluetooth mobile credential and app. All of this is available directly from QMLX. Also, one of our newer partnerships is Safer from Real Networks. This is a facial recognition based door reader application. Very excited about this. You can integrate this now into QxControl as a Wiegand reader. You would then use the Safer UI to enroll the various faces. And an interesting feature here is you can also use this as a video intercom using the Safer UI. And just a quick note, we do have a fuller integration with automatic enrollment between the databases that is on the roadmap as well. And that product is available directly for purchase from QMLX. STID is another new product line that we offer. STID, similar to Farpoint, offers both readers and credentials. They have a really great Bluetooth mobile app with credentials and long-range readers, and many great products that you need to get your access control product moving. Again, available for purchase directly from QMLX. As well as Triton. And the Triton is a vape detection solution and monitoring service. Right now, you would use the Triton UI as a separate tab to manage the Triton system itself. Full integration is roadmapped as well. And again, this is available for purchase directly from QMLX. That concludes this section. Thank you.